Look at how beautiful these samosas turned out. Nice and tight, just the way we want them. If you've ever wondered how to wrap samosas, perfectly without them, opening up while frying, keep watching. I'll take you through each step, nice and easy. First, I'm using a double sheet of samosa wrap. I fold it carefully into a triangle shape, making sure the edges line up nicely. Then I use a bit of flour paste as glue. This helps the wrap stay firm and sealed while cooking. Next, I add my chicken breast filling inside the triangle pocket. Once that's in, I close the wrap securely using a little more flour paste on the edges. This keeps the filling from spilling out during frying. For the next wrap, I'm using just a single sheet instead of double. I fold it the same way into a triangle. Then add a mixture of chicken gizzard and chicken breast filling. Again, I seal the edges with flour paste to make sure everything holds together nicely. And that's it! Our samosas are now neatly wrapped and ready to be fried until golden and crispy.
See, you keep adding until your mind says, stop it, it's okay. Once that's in, I close the wrap securely. So I use a little more flour paste on the edge. This keeps the filling from spilling out during frying. And then with a little bit of flour paste again, I close up the wrap. See how firm it is. Isn't that simple and neat, right? I'm using just a single sheet here instead of double. I fold it the same way into a triangle, then add the mixture of chicken gizzard and chicken breast filling. I seal the edge. The edge with flour paste to make sure everything holds together nicely. And that's it. Our samosas are now neatly wrapped and ready to be. That's it. Our samosas are now neatly wrapped and ready to be fried until golden and crispy. Guys, please do well to subscribe, share, and like, and don't forget to leave a comment. Is that samosa neat or not?
understand where exactly the code is stored, and we'll also analyze some of the business aspects of our project. I'll see you in the next lecture.